That's the done. May I just say, it's typical of this family to hide a nanny with a face and bring them all around.
Hi, Misha. Misha.
Who is she then?
Misha.
How does she make us do all those things? I have a theory.
Misha.
She's a secret weapon. I suspect that sticker comes because he's son uses odorless chemical when he bangs it.
You know what Minecraft?
Yeah.
You want some excitement?
Maya,
Hiya.
can you go put this in the garden, please?
Bye-bye.